Hey all, now we are going to see about structure, union and files in the upcoming videos. First we are going to see the structures, which is coming under the course 23 CST 101 problem solving and C programming. So this is the unit 5 syllabus. Here we are going to see about structure, union, preprocessor directive and files. Okay, first we see about structures. What is an array? An array is a collection of objects of similar data type. So this is array. So to overcome the disadvantage of array, we are going for the structure concept. Structure is nothing but it is similar to array, but it is a collection of different types of array objects. So array is a collection of same type of elements, but structure is a collection of different types of elements. C structures. Structure is a user-defined data type in C language which allows us to combine data of different types together. Structure helps to construct a complex data type which is more meaningful. It is somewhat similar to an array, but an array holds data of similar type only. So defining a structure. Struct keyword is used to define a structure. Struct defines a new data type which is a collection of primary and derived data types. This is the syntax for the structure. So first we have to use the structure keyword, and here comes the name of the structure, and then curly braces, here the members of the structure, that means variable, and you have to close this curly bracket and you have to define a variable to access this structure. So this is the structure definition, or else we can call it as syntax of the structure. Example of structure. So this is the best example of a structure. So struct keyword, I have used a student as the structure. Here character, name. So name which is consists of letters, alphabetical letters, so it is given under the character data type. So age, it is given under the int data type. Branch, it is given under the char data type. So gender, it is given under the char data type, F for female and M for male. So here struct to student declares a structure to hold the details of a student which consists of 4 data fields, namely name, age, branch and gender. These fields are called structure elements or members. Each members can have different data type, like in this case name is an array of character type and age is of int type, etc. Student is the name of the structure and it is called as the structure tag. So declaring structure variables, it is possible to declare variables of a structure either along with structure definition or after the structure is defined. Structure variable declaration is similar to the declaration of any normal variable of any other data type. Structure variables can be declared in following 2 ways. So this is the one of the way to declare the structure variable. You can use the variable which is used to access the structure at the end of the structure itself. Otherwise we can use this format also. We have to use struct keyword, structure name, and then you have to give a variable to access this structure. So these are the 2 ways of accessing the structure. So structure example, which is going to take input and output of structure elements. So void main, I have declared the structure here. Student structure, it consists of name, roll number, marks, which is of data type char, int, float. So structure student variable is equal to 3mm 53, 75.45. So this 3mm will be assigned to the name, 53 will assign to be roll number, 75.45 will be assigned to mark. So then I'm going to print the values which I have passed here. So printf name is equal to %s. Since it is a character data type, I have used %s format specifier, comma variable dot name. So this is the variable which is going to access the members of this structure. So variable dot name. So printf number is equal to %d variable dot roll number. So next printf marks is equal to %f variable dot marks. So this will be the output. Name is equal to 3mm, roll number is equal to 53, marks equal to 70.5.4500. So these are the example for declaring structure variables separately or within the definition. So this is one of the way of declaring the structure variable. So you can use struct keyword student structure name S1 comma S2, or else you can give this S1 S2 at the end of the structure itself, that is before the semicolon. So there are two ways for declaring the separate structure variables. So you can use more than one variable for accessing the structure. Here S1 S2 are variables of structure student. However, this approach is not much recommended. Thank you.